Once upon a time, there was a cheerful and curious boy named Harry who always wondered what made the kitchen so magical. Every day he would peek from behind the corners and watch his mom whisk, bake, and stir mysterious concoctions. His father made pancakes that looked like fluffy clouds, and Harry dreamed of creating his own culinary masterpieces. One sunny morning, Harry woke up with a sparkle in his eyes and a rumbling tummy, ready to embark on an exciting journey. "Mom, Dad," he said with determination, "I'd like to learn how to cook today." His parents exchanged smiles and nodded with joy, ready to share the secrets of the kitchen with Harry. First stop was the colorful world of fruit salad. Harry's mother led him to a basket filled with a rainbow of fruits: juicy oranges, sweet strawberries, crisp apples, and bananas as yellow as sunshine. With a tiny knife and under his mom's careful supervision, Harry carefully chopped the fruits into bite-sized pieces. A sprinkle of lemon juice, a dash of honey, and with a satisfying mix, his fruit salad was ready. "Wow," Harry exclaimed as he took a bite, feeling the vibrant flavors dance on his tongue and the pride of making his dish. Next, Harry's father introduced him to the classic art of making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. It seemed simple, but for Harry it was the first step into the world of making his own lunch. He spread the peanut butter on one slice of bread and the shiny grape jelly on the other slice. Squishing them together, he took a big bite and beamed with pride. "Delicious," he declared with a mouthful. Finally, it was time for Harry's favorite, homemade pancakes. His dad showed him how to mix the batter: flour, eggs, milk, and a touch of sugar. Harry whisked with all his might, and soon it was time to pour the smooth batter onto the sizzling pan. Flipping them took patience and a bit of practice, but Harry was delighted when his pancakes were as golden as the sunrise. Topped with syrup and a dollop of soft butter, Harry's pancakes were a triumph. Harry learned through his culinary adventure that cooking could be more than just about food. It was about experiencing joy, sharing moments with his family, and creating something meaningful together. He discovered teamwork in folding napkins with precision and creativity in arranging fruit in colorful patterns. Harry's confidence soared as he realized he could contribute to making delicious meals and delightful memories in the kitchen. At the end of the day, Harry washed his hands, satisfied and excited for more culinary adventures. He appreciated the patience his parents showed him and loved the bursts of laughter that echoed in the kitchen. "Tomorrow," Harry thought to himself as he snuggled up in bed, "I'll make something even more amazing." And with that dream, he fell asleep thinking of the sweet smell of pancakes and the bright colors of his fruit salad. Harry learned that in the magic of cooking, love and happiness were the main ingredients.